Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your card number on TD Bank app. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And now let's get into it. So I found the answer right here in Quora. I'll leave you the link in the description down below. And actually after reading it, I found that it made so much sense and that the solution is legit. As you can see here, the question was, where can I find my institution number and account number on my TD Bank account card? And here's an answer from a former worker at TD Bank. He says that if you bank at TD in Canada, my answer is valid. However, you are banking at TD Bank in the US, the information below might be incorrect. Your institution number nor your account number will be on the card. Firstly, this institution number is 204, and here's the source. Plus, I used to work there. And to find your account number, you're going to have to log into EasyWeb or call EasyLine. If neither is an option, you should walk into any TD branch. In summation, you cannot get your institution number or account number directly from the card. So I guess that was it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.